my friend. Welcome back to Speak Easy English. I am David. I am so happy to see you today. Today, we are going to learn something very useful. We are going to talk about asking for directions. Have you ever been lost in a new city? It can be a little scary, right? But if you know a few simple English words, you can find your way easily. In this lesson, we will follow a story about Alex. Alex is in a beautiful city, but he is looking for the Grand Library. We will learn how to ask, where is, how to understand turn left or turn right, and how to say thank you. I will speak very slowly. I will use simple grammar and easy words. After the story, we will practice speaking together. Are you ready to explore? Let's begin. It is a sunny Wednesday afternoon. Alex is standing on a busy street corner. He is holding a map in his hands, but he is confused. The city is very big. There are many shops, tall buildings, and cars. Alex wants to go to the Grand Library. He loves books. He wants to sit in a quiet place and read. But he cannot find the library on his map. Alex looks around. He sees a woman walking a small dog. She looks friendly. Alex takes a deep breath. He walks toward her. Alex says politely,
"Excuse me."
The woman stops.
Yes? How can I help you?
I am looking for the Grand Library. Is it near here?
Oh, the library. Yes, it is very close. It is only a 5-minute walk.
Alex feels happy.
That is good news. How do I get there?
The woman points down the street.
Go straight for 2 blocks. When you see a big yellow building, that is the bakery. At the bakery, turn left onto Apple Street.
Turn left at the bakery.
Alex repeats.
Yes, then walk past the park. The park will be on your right side. After the park, you will see a large stone building with big windows. That is the library.
Alex asks.
Go straight, turn left at the bakery, walk past the park, and it is on the right?
Exactly. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much for your help.
You are very welcome. Have a nice day.
Alex starts walking. He goes straight. He sees many people. He sees a blue bus. He counts the blocks. 1, 2. There it is. The big yellow building. It smells like fresh bread. This is the bakery. At the bakery, Alex turns left. Now he is on Apple Street. He walks a little more. He sees green trees and children playing. This is the park. The park is on his right side, just like the woman said. Alex looks ahead. He sees a very large, beautiful building made of gray stone. It has tall wooden doors. Above the door, it says, Grand Library. Alex is very proud of himself. He asked for help in English, and he found his way. He walks inside. It is very quiet and smells like old paper. He finds a comfortable chair and a good book. He stays there for 2 hours. But soon, it is time to go home. Alex walks out of the library. Now, he needs to find the train station. He sees a young man wearing a backpack.
Excuse me, where is the train station?
The train station?
The man asks.
Go back the way you came. Walk past the park. When you get to the bakery, turn right.
Turn right at the bakery.
Yes. Go straight for 3 blocks. The train station is a big white building. It is across from the supermarket.
Across from the supermarket. I understand. Thank you.
Alex walks back. He passes the park. He reaches the bakery and turns right. He counts the blocks. 1, 2, 3. He sees a supermarket called Fresh Foods. Right across the street is a big white building with a clock. It is the train station. Alex buys a ticket and sits on the train. He looks out the window. He is tired, but he is smiling. Today was a good day. He learned how to find his way. He learned that people are kind when you ask for help. Now, let's practice your speaking. I will say a short sentence. I will pause, and you repeat this sentence out loud. Try to match my slow speed. Let's start. Excuse me, I am lost. Where is the Grand Library? How do I get there? Go straight for 2 blocks. Turn left at the bakery. Turn right at the corner. The park is on your right. It is a 5-minute walk. The station is across from the shop. Is the library near here? Thank you for your help. You are very welcome. I am looking for the train station. I found the building. Now, I will tell the story again. This time, I will speak a little bit faster. This helps you hear how English sounds in a normal conversation. Just listen. Alex was lost in the city and looking for the Grand Library. He stopped a woman walking her dog and asked for directions. She told him to go straight for 2 blocks and turn left at the yellow bakery. He followed her directions, walked past the park, and found the library easily. Later, he needed to find the train station. A young man told him to turn right at the bakery and walk 3 blocks. He found the station right across from the supermarket. Alex was very happy because he used his English to find his way around the city. You did a wonderful job today. Asking for directions is a very brave thing to do in a new language. By practicing these sentences, you are getting ready for your next trip. I am so proud of you for staying focused. Thank you for practicing with me, David, here on Speak Easy English. If you like this lesson, please click the like button. It helps me create more videos for you. Share this video with a friend who is traveling soon. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. I want to see you in our next lesson. I have a question for you. Do you prefer using a paper map, or do you use your phone for directions? Tell me in the comments below. I love reading your answers. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.